Terracotta tile may have ancient origins, but its design appeal is timeless. Terracotta tiles are clay-based tiles, commonly used for flooring and outdoor paving due to their natural earthy tones and ability to withstand heavy foot traffic. Terracotta pairs well with lots of different colors. The key is to focus on complementary design elements that are both practical and unique. When you're looking for a dash of Mother Nature's earthy charm, start with the look and feel of terracotta's warm tones of orange, gold, or red for your floor tiling. Build up from there with rustic elements that channel a cozy, inviting ambiance. With Rustico, let your creativity run wild and experiment with different terracotta tile textures, patterns, colors, and layouts. And if you need assistance or expert advice, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you turn your dream project into a reality. Visit rusticotile.com today.